In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get trading cards on Steam. Steam trading cards are collectible digital cards that you can earn from certain games on Steam. They're useful if you want to complete badge sets, level up your Steam profile, or just collect items from the games you enjoy. The important thing to know is that not every game includes trading cards, so the first step is to focus on games that support this feature. To get Steam trading cards, start by playing games that have Steam trading card support. As you spend time in those games, card drops will automatically be added to your Steam inventory. In most cases, a game will only drop around half of the cards needed to complete a full badge set, so playing alone usually won't give you every card you need. Still, this is the main and easiest way to begin building your collection, especially if you already own games that support card drops. Next, check how many card drops you still have available. Open Steam, click your username, and then go to Badges. In this section, you'll be able to see which games still have card drops remaining. This is very helpful because it shows you where you can continue earning cards just by playing. If you're trying to be efficient, this page makes it easier to decide which game to launch next instead of guessing. Once you've collected the cards that drop naturally, you may still be missing a few to complete a set. In that case, you can trade with friends or other Steam users to get the cards you don't have yet. Trading is a good option if you have duplicate cards from one game and need a specific card from another. It can save time and help you finish a badge set without relying only on random drops. Another way to get the missing cards is to buy them from the Steam Community Market using Steam Wallet funds. This is usually the fastest method if you already know exactly which cards you need. Just search for the specific card and purchase it directly. Keep in mind that prices can vary depending on the game and the rarity of the card, so it's a good idea to check before buying several at once. That's the full process. Play supported games to earn drops, check your remaining drops in the badges section, trade for missing cards, and buy the rest from the community market if needed. If you follow those steps, you'll be able to build trading card sets much more easily on Steam.